Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off with the Palmer's Skin Success Dark Spot, well, anti-dark spot moisturizer. This is supposed to just help with your dark spots. I saw this on, what's her name? Oh, Pretty Iceland's channel, so I was like, let me check it out. And then after that, I'm going to apply my regular Shea Butter moisturizer on the face. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer just to make sure that my pores look gone. Now that the prep is done, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation and applying this on my face. And then I'm also going to go in with my Makeup Revolution that foundation. And that is in the color F13. It's a little light for me, and then the Fenty is a little dark for me. So I just like to blend those together, and I feel like that color fits me pretty well. So other than the prep for your face being very important for a flawless face, your foundation is important as well. You want to make sure the foundation is matching you. I personally am okay with using a foundation that's a little darker because if you bring it down to your neck, no one's really going to be able to tell. Also, like in photos, if you're scared of flashback, using a little bit of a darker foundation is okay. Well, in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? But you want to make sure that your foundation fits you, or it's a color that you're comfortable wearing out. Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm using this color to contour. If you want a very seamless, beautiful, natural looking contour, I feel that you should contour first before you highlight, and you're gonna see why. But when I'm contouring, I like to use light strokes to brush it out, and I also like to buff it into my hairline. It kind of looks like I'm going kind of hard, but I promise you I am not. And it also kind of looks like I'm using a lot, but y'all gonna see the magic, okay? And also, I normally would use a little bit less on the nose contour, but I was kind of in a rush because I was going to go somewhere. But honestly, it's all your preference. You can use as much or as little of the product as you want because it's your face and it's what you feel comfortable with. Now I'm going to highlight my face with this e.l.f. concealer. These concealers are alright. You kind of want to work fast with them because it does dry. That's the one thing that I see that I don't like about it. But other than that, they are great. But I'm just going to go right under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, a little dot on my lip, this fake U around my eyebrows, and then on my chin. And we're going to blend it out. And pay close attention to how I blend it out so that it doesn't look crazy with the contour. So I'm using the sponge to blend it out, and I'm going a little bit downward on my cheek so that it can start fading into the contour. And then what I do is I take the bottom of the sponge, and then whatever's left with the foundation, I use that to just blend it all together so that it connects seamlessly. And then as you've seen, I put my LA Girl concealer in the color Toffee in between the e.l.f. and the contour, because I wasn't really liking the fade that was going on between the highlight and the contour, and I wanted it to look a bit more natural, so I added Toffee because it's in between the contour color and the highlight color. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline setting powder, and this is in the color 30 or 35, and I don't use too much, and I just literally stamp that into the skin. That's what makes the face look flawless and like skin-like. This is probably like my favorite step because it literally kind of makes your face kind of come back to life, because it, in a way, to me, since this is the colored setting powder, it kind of makes your face come back to life, and you kind of have color again. I don't know if this is making sense, but it's making sense to me, okay? But I just set everywhere that I highlighted, which was under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, and under the contour and my forehead. Now this is a very important step, y'all. Y'all want to go in with your face powder, and you want to dust off any of the excess setting powder that you had on your face. Just in case if you don't know, setting powder sets the creams that you put on your face, and face powder basically gives you color. Like, it gives the color back into your skin, so it don't look like you just caking stuff on your face. So this step, you don't want to skip that, okay? So I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus to spray the face, and this step is also important. You want to go back in with your sponge, and you want to just press all that powder into your skin. You can do this step right after the setting powder or the face powder. This is just going to make it all literally look like skin. Like, I love it. Now I'm going in with my Ulta Beauty contour kit, and I'm using these two colors, and I'm using that to contour my cheekbones and also my nose. After that, I'm gonna go in with this Revlon blush. It's in the color Wild Card. And don't forget to smile when you blush, girl. When you put on blush, make sure you smile. And then to highlight, I'm going in with my Milani highlighter. Now I'm going on my Fenty Beauty girl, just to give a little bit more pizzazz. And then after that, I'm setting the face, and you're just gonna see the montage of me looking cute. It's not even a montage, but y'all gonna see the cuteness, period.